Good morning, 5th grade. You have looked through the slides for lesson 3-4 and I am ready to do an example problem with you. So hopefully you have looked and you saw, especially this example, the one I have above here. This is, page 75 in your activity book. Hopefully you went through and you looked at the lesson and saw how we are able to find 2/3 of 4/5 by cutting our fraction bars into pieces. So if we're starting with 4/5, we're still drawing the entire whole. Then we can cut each into 3 pieces to make our thirds. So then we see that if we cut each of these fifths into thirds, we actually end up with 15 whole pieces. So if we have all of this whole piece of wood or this whole candy bar, we're really now making 15 whole pieces. I know we don't have this last piece, but we still have to consider this as part of our whole. So then when we circled 2/3 in each fifth, just like we did yesterday in class. So we took 2/3 in each fifth. These are now 15ths because we had to cut it all into 15 pieces. So when we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we ended up with this 8/15ths. So 2/3 of 4/5 is 8/15ths. I'm going to do another one of these with you right now and then have you practice on another one. So this is number 1 on page 75. And I want you to work through this problem with me. So if you need to pause and make sure you have this open, please do so now. So we're taking 3/4 of 5/6. We're going to start with the 5/6 because this is what we have. So it's cut into 6 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can label this. This is 6/6 as the whole. This is 0/6 on the left. This would be 1/6 here, 2/6, 3/6 or half, 4/6, and 5/6. That should be labeled now on yours just so you can see it. And then we're taking these 6 and we're trying to find fourths. We need 3/4 of those 5/6. So I'm going to take a different color and now I'm going to split each one of these bars into 4 pieces. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now each of those 6 are cut into fourths because we're looking for 3/4. So I'm going to go ahead and make some marks down here at the bottom so I know what they are. So if I'm not sure, I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is really now 24 24ths. And we need to take 3/4 of each of those 6. So this right here is how much we really have. Going back to the problem, we have 5/6. So we're going to want to stop here when we circle our pieces. Okay, because I have 5/6. So let's just draw that as an arrow. So that's our 5/6. So now I need 3/4 of each. So I'm going to go ahead and here's 3/4 right here. 3/4 of the first 6. Here's 3/4 of the second 6. Here's 3/4 of the third 6th. Here's 3/4 of the fourth 6th. And here's 3/4 of the fifth 6th. So I'm not going to take anything over here because I don't have that much. I'm stopping at the 5/6. So now I'm going to count them. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 shaded pieces. But when I look at those, it's not 6th, we're working in 24ths. So my answer is 15 24ths because I had to count those. So if we wanted to write that down to make that a little clearer, we would just start counting 1 24th, 2 24ths, 3 24ths, 4 24ths, and we would go all the way down. And we know about equivalent fractions, so I know that 1/6 and 4 24ths are equivalent. I've just cut these into the pieces I needed in order to find the answer to this problem. So 3/4 of 5 6, so cutting each sixth into 3/4 ended up giving me 15 24ths. Now I want you to go ahead and please do number 2 on this same page, and then you're going to check it with the video on the next slide. So please do the same thing that we did in this one. Draw the fractions, write the fractions on the top and bottom, split it up into pieces. You can even shade if you want to, and make sure that you understand how to find 2/3 of 4/7 on this fraction bar.